Right, in this problem we'll do the second question first. What is this speed in meters per second? And so the speed that we're given is 98 miles per hour, 98 mile per hour fastball. And we want to convert this to meters per second. So let's go ahead and set up our fence and post system. And I'll write 98 miles per 1 hour in the first part of the fence post. And then what I need is some conversion information here that I can use to write fractions equivalent to 1 whose units cancel. Well, we have a distance and a time, so we're going to end up over here in the end with distance and time. So maybe what I can do is use some time conversions that I know already. I know that there are 60 minutes in an hour and 60 seconds in each minute. So I can write this as I need to put an hour in the numerator of the next fraction here. So I'll go ahead and write 1 hour. And then in the denominator, I'm going to write that there are 3,600 seconds. And so that's going to help me convert from hours to seconds. And I chose to write the hours there in the numerator because I need it to cancel with this hours in the denominator. So I'll go ahead and cancel those out right now. And what I need now is to get a fraction equal to 1 that I can also cancel miles with. So I have this card that has some conversion factors on it. So I can go ahead and write 1 mile in the denominator down here because it's going to cancel with the mile in the numerator up here. And then I'll write 1609 meters in the numerator of the fraction, and I'll go ahead and cancel out miles and miles. And so once I've done that, let's just check and see here. I have meters left that do not cancel with anything and seconds left which do not cancel with anything. So it looks like I am ready to multiply straight across. So I'll just go ahead in the final fence post here. I'll write 98 times 1609. That's going to be what I multiply out, and it's going to be divided by 3,600. And the units are going to be what I've got circled here, meters per second. So I just grab my calculator and go ahead and do this. I have 98 times 1609 is equal to that quantity, and then let's divide by 3,600 and we get 43.800. So I'll go ahead and write 43.8. I'll go ahead and leave 3 digits there, and the units, as we just got done saying, are meters per second. So we have converted 98 miles per hour over here to 43.8 meters per second, and what we need to do as well is take into account significant digits. We're given 2 digits, 98 miles per hour, so we need to have 2 digits here. Let's say 44 meters per second, and say therefore 44 meters per second is equivalent to 98 miles per hour.